Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to register FAB mobile banking first Abu Dhabi Bank. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the FAB mobile banking app on your device. Over here, if you don't have the app, open Play Store or App Store and search for FAB Mobile. After that, tap on the install button. Then, once the app is installed, tap on the open option. Over here, you will see the interface of FAB mobile banking. If you are new, tap on the Join FAB option and follow the on-screen prompts. But if you are already a customer, tap on the second option, which is already a customer. Then it will bring you to the registration page. Over here, enter your customer ID or your credit debit card number. After that, check the box that says I agree with terms and conditions. Then tap on the continue option. After that, follow the on-screen prompts and verify your identity. So that's basically how you can register FAB mobile banking first Abu Dhabi Bank, and that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.